To generate Xero reports, start by logging into your Xero account and navigating to the Reports section. This is where you can access a wide range of financial reports, including balance sheets, income statements, and accounts payable. First, select the type of report you want to generate from the list of available reports. Xero offers various report templates, such as summary reports, detail reports, and custom reports. Choose a report that meets your needs and click on it to open the report settings. In the report settings, you can customize the report by selecting the date range, accounting period, and other relevant options. For example, you can choose to generate a report for a specific month, quarter, or year. You can also select the level of detail you want to include in the report, such as summary or detailed data. Once you have set up your report, click the Update button to generate the report. Xero will then display the report in a format that is easy to read and understand. You can further customize the report by using the various options available, such as filtering, sorting, and grouping data. To make the most of Xero reports, it is essential to understand the different types of reports available and how to use them. For example, the balance sheet report provides a snapshot of your company's financial position at a specific point in time, while the income statement report shows your company's revenue and expenses over a period. Best practices for generating Xero reports include regularly reviewing your financial reports to stay on top of your company's financial performance, using the report filters to focus on specific areas of your business, and exporting reports to external applications such as Excel for further analysis. By following these steps and using the various report options available in Xero, you can generate accurate and informative financial reports that help you make better business decisions. Regularly generating and reviewing Xero reports will enable you to stay on top of your company's financial performance and make informed decisions to drive growth and success.